I'm in the seafood city. Just got my fish. About to get some. They got a lot of stuff here. A lot of stuff here. Hella snacks. I'm trying to get some healthy snacks, but we'll see if I can find any. But I got the fish being cut right now. I think she said that's probably gonna be like 10 minutes. So I'm gonna shop a little bit. Show y'all around. This right here, it's fire. Gluten free, but it actually tastes better than regular soy sauce, no joke. They got some mirin. They got so much stuff here, it's not even funny. So much stuff. I've been wanting to get this, but I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. I feel like I can just make this myself, but they got the QP mayo. If you haven't had that, it's fire. Very unhealthy, but it's fire. Rice seasoning. Probably not this one. Nah. You want the regular joint. I don't see any regular furikake. Pure bacon soda. They got hella mushrooms, dried up mushrooms, shiitake joints, hella rice noodles. Got the rice papers down there. I got the spices. This is what I'm looking for, some garlic powder. I got some good sea salt. Oh shit, they got fried garlic, yo. This shit is so fire. This is what I need. $8 for some damn. John might be it's kind of crazy. Garlic and salt right there. They got garlic powder again. It's garlic powder. I think I'm gonna go with this one. That baby bok choy. No, that's actually fire. That's actually fire. like this. Like this joint. This is so far. It's a little expensive. It's a little expensive, but I don't know. It might be worth it. It might be worth it. Might be worth it. I got 1 out of 3 so far. I need 2 more, and this might be one of them. But I'm not trying to spend $60 on a lamp, so we're gonna keep looking.